हाय एवरीवन, नमस्कार। आज निफ्टी थोड़ा सा नीचे गया। एक्सपेक्टेशन ये था जो कल हमने डिस्कस किया था कि मोस्ट लाइकली निफ्टी विल गो ऑन द अपसाइड बिकॉज ये जो मूव है ग्रीन कैंडल, दिस इज लुकिंग लाइक अ मोटिव स्ट्रक्चर। बट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कि ये जो रेंज बना हुआ है मदर कैंडल का, इस कैंडल का, वो अभी तक ब्रीच नहीं हुआ है। तो इसका जो लो था 535 पे था और आज का जो लो है 539, मतलब रफली 4 पॉइंट से अभी तक बचा हुआ है। अगर हम ओवरली देखें, इफ वी सी दिस ओवरली स्ट्रक्चर, राइट, सो दिस स्टिल लुक्स लाइक मोटिव टू मी, एंड सिंस दिस लो इज स्टिल नॉट ब्रीच्ड, I can still consider this as a valid setup where this is some sort of 1 or A and this is retracement in 2 or B and 3 or C is still pending. So that is still a possibility if this low holds. Doesn't matter even if it holds by just 4 points as of now, जो अभी का केस है. And this structure, इसको हम 1 2 3 4 5, we could say that this is also a 5-wave structure, and this could also be a diagonal, but this cannot be a leading diagonal because this is not the first leg or the starting leg. Leading diagonal can happen only in wave 1 or wave A, so it is none of those waves because this structure started here, right? This could be an ending diagonal, ABC, but this doesn't really look like a A. This is more likely a 3-wave structure like a W, and this is X if this is X, and then this is Y. It is still possible that this could happen in Y, but it's not very likely. So that's the reason I still think that this setup may still be valid. But if this doesn't work out as I am explaining, then chances are कि we are going to break below this, right? तो अगर वो होता है, then एक interesting thing होगी, that is, हम अगर डेली में जाते हैं तो this will become a 13-wave structure. So right now if you can count this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and this become 13. 13 wave is an impulse structure, right? And motive structure. So that also means कि something will likely complete at this place. So if you are having difficulties, let's look at it this way. So I can mark it like 1, this is 2, this is 1 2 3 4 5, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 1 2 3 4 5. This is still going on, right? Let me make it bigger. So now, okay, let me also mark these internal counts so it's easier for you to visualize. And let me reduce the degree of these internal counts. So this is like 1, this is 2, this is 3, within 3 we have 1 2 3 4 5, this is 4, and this is 1 2 3 4 5, and here is an overlap, but that is fine because this is wave 5th, so which could be an ending diagonal, right? So overlap is acceptable here, and I'm not saying that this 5th will finish here because this will be 13 waves or a motive structure when this breaks below this low, this mother candle low, right? So far it hasn't happened, but if it happens, right, let's say tomorrow, then we will have a 13 wave structure at hand, and it would mean that something might likely complete here, and if this is what happens, that means that this whole thing is wave A. So this is wave A, then there will be a B in retracement, and then there will be another 5-wave down in C. So that's what it means. But right now, since we haven't broken below this, I will remove this so it doesn't create a confusion. We will add these marks again if it happens tomorrow, right? So I hope this makes sense. So in the bigger picture, what we are saying is this fifth from this third wave essentially. Let me go to weekly. I think that would be more clear. So this is the third wave, and then this is fourth happening, right? So within fourth we have W, this W, then this is X, and then Y will unfold. So within Y, this is A, B, and then C. This could happen, or it could just be wave 1 of A, because this is still very small, right? So if that is the case, that means there is a very long way to go down essentially. And this is the zone I mentioned, that this is a possibility for wave 4 to complete, right? So for that to happen, it's very much possible that this is just one leg of A. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. Then like there will be B, 3 wave, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in C, something like that. So that's how it looks to me. If this breaks, maybe this week, if it has to break, it's likely it will break this week, because we are very close to it. But if price reverses from here, then also my view remains the same, that even if it doesn't become 13 waves, so it will become a 11 wave structure, so which is essentially a corrective structure. So in that case, we will not count it as A, B, C or something like that. We will call it W, X and Y. But in both the cases, my view remains ki whatever happens after this, that will be a bounce or a retracement of this leg. It will not be a complete reversal on the upside. So I hope that clarifies the view. And let's go back to hourly to see what we can expect tomorrow. So yeah, I think in terms of expectation for tomorrow, if it breaks down, then it becomes 13, and if it doesn't, it just moves up. Then we need to see whether it breaks above it, whether it closes above it, or it just kind of breaches past it and kind of comes back inside and close within this range. So that would mean that it would probably again go down, or at least retest this lower range. So that's the setup, and for last 2 days we have been trading within this range. So it is also possible that tomorrow also we might kind of make some move within this range. So it might also happen. So these are all the alternatives that we have, like breakdown becomes 13, and that would possibly be the end of this for now, and then some kind of retracement will start, or this could remain in the range, or if it could try to test this upper range. So only 3 things can happen, and these are the 3 things along with the long-term potential counts of what this down move could be. So I guess that's all for this update. If you have any questions about this, do let me know, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.